Welcome to Web Learning, where knowledge is shared. This is just a quick video to show you a UPS I just built for my Wi-Fi router. It's a simple 12-volt battery with 9 amps. And this is a really cheap battery charger from Solar. And this is the output. So I've connected the solar panel to a simple connector. Then there is the battery, plus and minus, and then the output. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the router power supply and I'm going to plug it in. So this will be the charging. Instead of a solar panel, it will charge straight from the 12-volt power supply, and this will be the output. So if there will be any power shortage, then this will kick in and it will power the Wi-Fi router. Thank you for watching.